Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. My name is Abha, and today I am here to share a story about the value of money. And the name of the story is Value of Money. So, once upon a time, there was a couple, Sushila and Raghav, and they lived in a village called Anandpur. They were very hardworking. Raghav had a field of his own. He was actually a farmer, and Sushila took care of the household chores. They were, in fact, a very happy couple. But they did not have any children. One day, Sushila told Raghav, "Will God ever have mercy on us?" Raghav told her not to worry. After 5 years, they were blessed with a baby boy. They were very happy. And people told them that this baby is going to have a very bright future. They named him Ram. When Ram grew up, he was very pampered by both the parents since he was the only child. And he actually lost the willingness to work. And he spent his father's money lavishly. When he grew 20 years old, his father called him and he said, "Son, I am growing old now, and I think it's time that I should give my wealth and property to you." Ram asked him, "What do you want me to do, Dad?" So Raghav said, "I want you to work, and at the end of every month, hand over the salary to me for 3 months. Ram understood what his father told him, and he started to search for jobs. After a few days, he took up a job to work in the fields. Every morning he went to work and came back home tired evenings. He actually worked really hard, and at the end of every month, he gave his salary to his father. This continued for 3 months. Actually more. His father kept quiet, but sooner there was a curiosity inside Ram's heart. So one day he went up to his father and said, "Dad, what are you doing with the money I give to you?" So he said, "Oh, that money, I have thrown it inside the well." When Ram heard these words, he was extremely furious and he shouted at his father. He said, "Dad, how could you do that to me? That was my hard-earned money. How could you throw it away?" His father smiled and replied, "The same way like you have been doing. You've been wasting my hard-earned money all these years." Ram was quiet and he realized his mistake. His father said, "Ram, we work very hard in our lives and earn the money for our comfort. It is not to lavishly spend and waste. Your money is safe with me. I just made up that story so that you realize the real value, the importance of money." Ram apologized to his father. He said, "I'm sorry, father, for whatever I've done. I now know the real value of money." And later, his father happily transferred all his wealth and property to Ram. So my dear students, in this story, we realize how important the value of money is. Our parents work really hard so that they provide us the comforts of life. We are privileged and blessed with whatever we have. And there are times when we complain and tell our parents that, that child has that, but we don't. But this is something that we should not do. We should be grateful to God for whatever we have with us and be happy with it. And later when we grow old, it applies the same to us. It's not only money. Even the basic amenities that we have, be it food, be it clothes, we have to use them and spend them wisely. and not waste them, because there are people who are not, to whom these things are not available. So let's try to be more wise with whatever we spend, be it money, be it food, be it clothes, be it water, and make this place a more happy place to live. And before I leave, it's Christmas is almost here. So I would like to wish all of you Merry Christmas and actually a safe Christmas. Thank you so much.